Hello everyone. Hope all will be fine. Student, let us start. Continue exercise 5.1. So few questions I will take today. So let us start that. I written here question number 18 second. Express I power minus iota power minus 35 in the standard form a plus iota b. So I hope that student I give some question from this exercise. So concept was clear that. So you can understand very easily. So let's start. I power minus iota power minus 35. I, that is iota. So sometimes using the I, that is not good. Iota. So iota we can write minus 35. That means that 1 upon 35. That yes, 1 upon 35. This we can write here 1 upon iota power 35. I given formula iota power 4k plus 1 iota power 4k plus 2 4k plus 3 इस तरह से मैं फार्मूला दिया था, उसका यूज यहाँ पर करना है. क्या करेंगे यहाँ? फर्स्ट यू डिवाइड बाय 4, ब्रेक डाउन इट. ठीक है. इफ यू डिवाइड बाय 4, सो हियर सी 8 4 जा 32, 4 8 जा 32. So here will be 4 into 8 plus how much? 32 plus 3. That is 3. Right? So as you know, iota power 4k plus 3 equal to minus iota. So here iota power 4 8 that will be 1 and iota power 3 that is minus I. Iota power 3 that is equal to I square into iota square means minus 1 into iota that is equal to minus iota that. Yes. So here we have to use that 1 upon minus I. Yes. Now multiply by I. Here will be I upon minus iota upon iota square. This iota square value what will be? Minus 1. As you know, you have to remember this thing that iota square is equal to minus 1. We have to use here minus 1. So that will be equal to iota upon minus 1 minus plus. So that came your answer, that iota. Right? But we have to write in form of a plus iota b. This is iota. We can write 0 plus iota. Real value here 0 and imaginary value here 1. That. So this will be standard form of 0 plus iota. Right? So this was the question. Express iota power minus 35 in the standard form of a plus iota b. So this way. One more questions I will take that, student. Now next question. Express iota upon 1 plus iota in the standard form a plus iota b. Very simple. First we have to rationalize this 1 plus iota. We can write this way, iota upon 1 plus iota multiply by conjugate of this. That what will be conjugate of 1 plus iota? That will be 1 minus iota. मैं बताया था conjugate के लिए कि conjugate of complex number a plus iota b is denoted by z bar and defined by z bar is equal to a minus iota b. ठीक है? Do you remember? Conjugate of complex number denoted by z bar and defined by z bar is equal to a minus iota b. Complex z bar is equal to a minus iota b. Conjugate of this. So here we have to multiply by conjugate of this 1 minus iota. We have to multiply by 1 minus iota. So if you multiply, what will be here? 1 minus iota upon 1 minus iota. Yes. Conjugate of 1 plus iota is equal to 1 minus iota. that will be equal to iota 1 minus iota whole upon. What will be this? A plus b, a minus b. It means this will be 1 minus iota square, right? Iota square value, iota square equal to minus 1. So we have to write here, that will be equal to iota, open this bracket also, yes, iota minus iota square upon 1 minus, here what is value? Minus 1, because iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota minus minus 1 upon, here what is? 1 plus 1, right? So that will be equal to iota plus 1 upon 2. But this is not final result, because we have to arrange in the form of a plus iota b. So separate it, we can write it 1 upon 2 plus upon 2. A plus iota b, real part and imaginary part, right? Very easy, very simple way I solved it. So first we converted this into, rationalize that by multiplying by the its conjugate. So became that iota 1 minus iota square, and using the value of iota square, and then we found that last result. That okay. One more questions after this, that. Now, very good question. Question number 23. If a plus iota b, c plus iota d is equal to a plus iota b, then show that a square plus b square into c square plus d square is equal to capital A square plus capital B square. Student, now first by using this we have to show that. Yeah. So first we have to simplify this. How will you simplify? A plus iota b, c plus iota d equal to a plus iota b. Open the bracket. AC plus iota AD plus iota BC plus iota square BD equal to A plus iota B. No doubt up to here that what I did, I opened the bracket, multiplied by termwise, then we found the result here. Yes. Now iota square minus 1 we have to use that here. So write here AC plus iota AD plus iota BC minus BD. Minus, why? Because iota square is equal to minus 1 is equal to A plus iota B. Here can write I square is equal to minus 1, right? Now this real term and these two are the imaginary terms, so we have to make this separate both that. So if it's separate, what will come? That AC minus BD, AC minus BD, one bracket, plus in both taking the iota common. So what will be here? Iota AD plus BC, that is equal to A plus iota B, right? Now compare both sides. Real equal to, because equal having here that, so we have to apply the equality property. In equality property, what was that? Real equal to real and imaginary will be equal to imaginary. So we can write here AC minus BD equal to A and AD plus BC equal to B. Imaginary equal to imaginary and real part equal to real part, right? Now what we have to find? A square plus B square we have to show that equal to this. It means that squaring and adding. इसको स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, इसको स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. तो हम डायरेक्टली दे रहे हैं ए स्क्वायर, दिस इज द ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए सी माइनस बी डी होल स्क्वायर plus AD plus BC whole square. What I did? A square plus B square, squaring and adding that. Then we found that A square plus B square is equal to this and that. Then open the bracket by applying the identities A plus B whole square. Then what will be that? Let's see. So we can write here A square C square plus B square D square minus 2ABCD, right? Correct ना? This square plus this square minus 2AB होता है ना फॉर्मूला, A square plus B square plus 2AB. यहाँ माइनस है, जब माइनस हो जाएगा 2AB. Now come here, A square D square plus B square C square plus 2ABCD equal to, already I written here that is equal to A square plus B square, right? This ABCD and this ABCD became the cancel. So we have to see these two things that now this I want to remove. So we can write A square plus B square equal to A square C square, A square C square plus A square C square plus B square. I am taking the A square C square and B square C square together. B square C square plus B square D square plus A square D square, right? That I hope that not difficult. So this is taken. Now I can rub this. Yes, student, I think that you are feeling well to see this type of the question. बहुत ही आसान है, इजी है. आप केवल जितना आपको फॉर्मूला दिया जाए, जितना आइडेंटिटीज दिया जाए, वो सब याद रखिए, उसका यूज करते हुए आगे बढ़िए. नाउ सी ए स्क्वायर, दिस केम दैट व्हाट इज कॉमन लुकिंग हियर सी स्क्वायर एंड हियर व्हाट इज कॉमन लुकिंग दैट डी स्क्वायर. सो वी कैन राइट हियर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर कॉमन. देखो यहाँ बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर आ रहा है, तो हम ऐसे लिख दें, कोई दिक्कत? नो प्रॉब्लम, आई थिंक दैट यस. सो ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर अगेन कॉमन, सो रीराइट इट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर. हेंस proved that. So our aim hence proved that. Our aim was to prove that this is equal to A square plus B square. That came. So next, now see question number 26, little different. Z, that is the complex number, is equal to 3 minus root 7 iota. Then find modulus Z inverse that. Modulus, this word is new for you, that modulus of complex number. If Z is, this is the complex number A plus iota B. Yes, modulus of complex number we represent this way, that. Yeah, and define it is equal to under root A square plus B square. Real square plus imaginary square. रियल वैल्यू ए है, इमेजनरी वाला वैल्यू क्या है, बी है. दोनों का स्क्वायर करके ऐड करके स्क्वायर रूट ले लें. दैट विल बी मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. सम दिस आल्सो वी यूज टू से दैट एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, दैट एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, दैट. सो दिस इज द मॉडुलस. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड इनवर्स. या सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड जेड इनवर्स. पहले हम जेड इनवर्स निकाल लें, जेड पावर -1 निकाल लें जो है. उसके बाद हम आगे मॉडुलस के बारे में सोचेंगे. यस, सो लेट फर्स्ट वी find what is the z inverse that. Yeah, did you understand about the modulus? If a complex number z a is equal to a plus iota b, yeah, can define modulus of z is equal to under root real square plus imaginary square, that a square plus b square, that. So first we should find inverse of z. So z inverse means we can write 1 upon z, 1 upon z. Yes, a z value here given. So 1 upon 3 minus 7 iota, right? Z inverse means what upon z? तो जानते होंगे ये पावर -1 is equal to 1 upon a, right? So z inverse, z power -1, that is equal to 1 upon z, and z value this is given here. Now rationalize this. How? By multiplying the किससे? Conjugate. Conjugate क्या होगा? माइनस है तो प्लस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So we have to write 3 plus iota root 7 upon 3 plus iota root 7. Yeah, here iota चाहे इधर लिखिए चाहे इधर लिखिए, no problem that. Okay. This is a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, right? So can write 3 plus iota root 7 whole upon a square means 3 square minus iota root 7 whole square. I think that there is no doubt to understand. A very simple way going. Now this 3 plus iota root 7 whole upon 3 3 is 9. See that minus iota square and root 7 square, what will be? 7. Iota square value what will be? -1. That is 3 plus iota root 7 upon 9 minus -1, 7. Yes, iota square is equal to -1. Then we can simplify it. 3 plus iota root 7 upon 9 plus 7. 9 minus plus into 7, that is the 16. So this will be 3 plus iota root 7 upon 16, right? Now what we have to do? We have to separate it, real part and imaginary to imaginary part, that. So we can write it ये कौन सा पार्ट है? z इनवर्स है, z इनवर्स है. यस, सो इज इक्वल टू 3 upon 16 प्लस अंडर रूट 7 upon 16 आयोटा, दैट. या ऐसे लिखिए या इस तरह लिखिए, जैसे भी अंडर रूट 7 upon 16, that both are correct. That iota either right before or after this number, that no doubt. Now this is the z inverse. So we have to find what is the modulus of z inverse now, that. So to find the modulus, formula already given, that modulus of z inverse equal to under root a square plus b square 3 upon 16 whole square plus root 7 upon 16, what is the whole square, that, right? Now this will be 3 3 is 9 upon 16 square, no need to multiply, plus 7 upon what is 16 square under root, right? Okay, because both have same denominator, that. So we can add 9 and plus what will be 16, that will be equal to 16 upon what? 16 whole square under root. ठीक है, 116 will be cancel. ये समझ में आ गया? देखिए 16 स्क्वायर 116, 9 plus 7 what will be 16 upon 16 square, 116 will be cancelled, that will be under root 1 upon 16, what will be equal to 1 upon 4. So your result came that conjugate of Z inverse is equal to 1 upon 4, right? I hope that student concept is clear, that very easy, very simple way, students. So this much is enough for today. So next day I will take some more questions from the exercise, so do the practice and watch the video. Thanks all of you.